Hey. Hey, stop. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Now we're talking. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Now we're talking. Stop fighting. Stop. No chicken. No chicken. If you don't listen to mama, no chicken. Okay? Mama, don't give chicken every day. Because all what you did, it's so bad. Don't do. No fighting. Listen. Oh my God. No fighting. You don't stop. Hey, you don't stop fighting. No chicken. I don't give chicken, okay? You want chicken or no? If you don't stop. If you don't stop fighting, no chicken. And then all the things you broke it? Huh? And not all the time you do that, okay? When I finish my work, all what happened in the bed, all what you're doing inside, the lampshade, everything. What you did? What you did, both of you? From today, if you don't behave, no chicken.